So, DJI fans, buckle up, because the rumor mill is spinning faster than a drone caught in sport mode. We've got not one, but two juicy leaks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro and the DJI Pocket 4, and let me tell you, these leaks are so detailed, it almost feels like DJI left their secret files in a coffee shop again. Let's start with the big one, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Now, if you've been flying drones for a while, you know DJI has this magical ability to take a tiny flying camera and slap on so many upgrades that your wallet starts crying before launch day. The Mini 5 Pro seems to be following that exact recipe. The biggest headline? A 1-inch CMOS sensor. Yup, that's a pretty huge jump compared to the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. Translation: better low-light performance, juicier details, and an excuse for us to say things like cinematic quality when we're really just filming our dog chasing squirrels. And of course, DJI isn't stopping there. Rumor has it we're also getting 4K 120 FPS slow motion. Finally, slow-mo drone shots that won't look like a PowerPoint slideshow. Imagine filming a waterfall or a skateboard trick in buttery smooth 120 frames. Or, you know, just filming your neighbor mowing the lawn in dramatic slow-mo for no reason at all. Now, one thing that might not make everyone cheer is the price. Leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro could start at around $999, which is, let's just say, not very mini on the wallet. DJI clearly knows people will pay premium money to upgrade every year like it's an iPhone with propellers. Battery life? Rumored to be slightly improved, with whispers of a new Plus battery option giving us over 45 minutes of flight time. That's great because, let's be honest, most of us still panic land at 25% battery like it's an emergency landing at LAX. Oh, and DJI might finally be upgrading obstacle avoidance. Supposedly we'll get omnidirectional sensors, making it a lot harder to crash into trees, walls, or, if you're me, the side of your own house. Now let's talk about the second leak, the DJI Pocket 4. For those of you who don't know, the Pocket line is DJI's handheld gimbal camera that looks kind of like a robot with a tiny head. The Pocket 3 was already solid, but the Pocket 4, it might be the glow-up we didn't know we needed. Leaks suggest it could have a 1-inch sensor just like the Mini 5 Pro. That means low-light performance so good you can finally film your midnight snack raids without everything looking like security cam footage. We're also hearing about improved stabilization, a possible bigger touchscreen, and get this, AI-assisted features for tracking subjects, which basically means you can vlog hands-free while the camera does the hard work. Just don't be surprised when it follows your dog instead of you, because, well, the dog is cuter. Now, the Pocket 4's price is rumored to hover around $600, which makes it a solid option for creators who want silky smooth video without lugging around a full-blown camera setup. So, when are these dropping? Word on the street is that the Mini 5 Pro could land before the holiday season, maybe even in October or November 2025. The Pocket 4 might come either alongside it or early next year. DJI loves to play the surprise drop game, so don't be shocked if they just casually tweet it out on a random Tuesday. In short, DJI seems ready to level up both their flying and handheld cameras. The Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the dream drone for travelers, filmmakers, and people who like pretending to be filmmakers. And the Pocket 4 looks like it's aiming to replace your phone as your go-to travel camera. But here's the real question. Are these upgrades worth the extra cash, or are DJI just flexing at this point? I mean, sure, 4K 120 FPS sounds amazing, but will most of us really use it beyond a couple of wow shots? And is a 1-inch sensor in a pocket camera enough to make you ditch your phone? Either way, DJI knows how to get us hyped. Whether you're team drone or team gimbal, it looks like we're about to enter another round of shut up and take my money.